10 essential travel gadgets you need in 2025. Welcome to Beyond the Map, your eternal guide into the world of untamed wonders and modern exploration. Today, we're diving into an adventure of a different sort, one that explores the evolution of travel itself with 10 essential travel gadgets you need in 2025. Equip yourself with tools that enhance your journey, making every step smoother and every moment memorable. As you dream of new destinations, we're here to bridge the gap between fantasy and reality. So let's get started. As the world takes on new dimensions of connectivity and innovation, travel norms too have transformed. With futuristic gadgets by our side, the journey is not just a means to an end, but an experience in itself. How are we redefining travel? Let's find out. Imagine a suitcase that feels more like a companion than mere luggage. Enter the Smart Suitcase 4, a revolutionary marvel equipped with advanced GPS tracking, perfect for eliminating the perennial anxiety of lost baggage. Moreover, its solar charging capability ensures you're always powered up. Picture this: charging your devices while awaiting your next adventure under the sun. Stumbling across language barriers can break your travel fluidity. With the Pocket Translator Pro, communication is now as simple as voicing your thoughts. This powerful pocket-sized device instantly translates speech, making ordering food or asking for directions a breeze. Engage locals with confidence and discover places only words can unlock. Language is more than words, it's a key to culture. With the Pocket Translator Pro in hand, open doors to richer, deeper connections worldwide. Communication barriers? Not anymore. Airports are bustling beehives buzzing with life. To find solace amidst the chaos, embrace the invisible noise-canceling earbuds, precision-engineered for comfort and silence. Disappear into the world of your choosing, whether it's immersing in your favorite tunes or escaping into tranquil audiobooks. Collect your thoughts, refreshed and ready for the journey ahead. Health-conscious travelers rejoice! The self-cleaning water bottle brings UV light technology that purifies water on demand. Whether you're trekking through cities or the wilderness, hydration remains paramount, and now you don't have to worry about unseen bacteria. Refresh and renew with each sip. Remember, the places you visit should enrich your life, not expose it to dangers. Our self-cleaning water bottle ensures purity is just a sip away. Adventure with health as your steadfast ally. What's an adventure without the perfect capture? The travel drone is your eye in the sky, recording breathtaking vistas and vibrant landscapes. Its advanced obstacle detection means seamless flights, unhindered by treetops or cliff edges. Revisit your memories as crystal-clear panoramas or immersive video experiences. A travel drone ensures you focus on living in the moment, while it captures the magic for you to enjoy repeatedly. Because breathtaking doesn't begin to describe it. In the age of connectivity, staying charged is synonymous with staying connected. Our multi-purpose charger kit adapts to every imaginable port, ensuring your devices never run dry. Get powered up, whether you're on a remote mountaintop or a bustling street cafe, your adventures should always be unlimited. Being on time means being in the right place to make memories. It's about using time to discover, explore, and even pause. Let's introduce you to the best companion for that. Timepieces have become smarter with the Field Watch, which pairs classic endurance with modern tech. Beyond telling time, enjoy GPS mapping that gets you back on track, even in the remotest corners. It's your personal navigator wrapped around your wrist, always at your disposal. Can you guess what our next gadget is? Stay until the end as we unfold surprises that'll change your travel game. We have a bonus gadget as well, which will make your travel comfy and cozy. Safety should never be left to chance, and with the compact first aid pod, it's always within arm's reach. Ingeniously packed with essentials, it's the guardian every adventurer needs. From minor scrapes to more severe mishaps, peace of mind travels alongside your quest for discovery. Unforeseen situations can be just as thrilling as they are daunting, but readiness is key. Transform potential setbacks into mere pit stops along your journey to thrilling destinations. The landscapes you conquer and the climates you embrace define your journey. Be it the scorching sun or the chilling blizzard, our extreme weather gear ensures no forecast will dictate your plans. Travel without limitations as our gear adopts unquestionable protection tailored for Mother Nature's whims. Sustainability meets travel with a portable solar power station, a gadget for the conscious traveler. Charge your essentials with solar power while championing eco-friendly travel. As the world beckons, let it know you're a traveler who treads lightly, leaving only footprints and taking cherished memories. Incorporating these gadgets doesn't just add convenience, it reimagines the essence of exploration, blending tradition with innovation. Your journeys will transform into seamless stories of triumphs and experiences untold. Do these gadgets spark your wanderlust? Share your favorites or those tucked into your bag in our comments below. Traveling is a shared experience, and your insights brighten others' paths. Our exploration of 10 essential travel gadgets you need in 2025 invites you to envision new ways to experience places both familiar and foreign. Embrace these innovations so your travels remain a canvas of dreams shaped into reality. And here's your bonus gadget recommendation: Smart Neck Pillow. We've all experienced neck pain after a long journey. Enter the Smart Neck Pillow with built-in massage functions and Bluetooth speakers. Relax, listen to your favorite podcast, and arrive at your destination feeling refreshed. If you've loved exploring with us, be sure to subscribe Beyond the Map for endless travel tips, guides, and hacks. Stay connected as we work to make your travel experiences fun and unforgettable. Join us on our journey as we navigate the thrilling twists and turns of limitless travel. If you have any questions or suggestions for specific types of videos that could enhance your travel experience, please share them in the comments. We're eager to assist you in making your adventures smooth and enjoyable. We're grateful for sharing these moments with you. As we prepare our next video, be ready for another plunge into the extraordinary. Until then, may your travels be ever bold and your gadgets always ready. From our world to yours, travel beyond the map. Let's dream together, design the unknown, and capture the magic that awaits. Beyond the map, from my lens to your dreams.